Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So let's check what happened on Friday. On Friday there was a short covering in Nifty and Banknifty. So Nifty has closed 186 points positive with 24,502, whereas Banknifty has closed 8 points positive with 52,278. So now let's check what's the big player plan for the coming week expiry. So we will follow by FII. In future index, in long, they were having 78% long and 22% short. So now they have increased 1% long, reduced 1% short. So they have 79% long, 21% short. And in option index at call, they were having 1.34 lakhs of call buying contract. They have unwinded 1.06 lakh contract. So still holding 27,000 contract. Whereas in put they were holding 24,000 of put writing contract. Today they have unwinded 8,000 contract only, so still holding 15,000 of put writing contract. So they have unwinded most of the profit contract of call, but still holding a light quantities at a positive side, whereas they are super positive in future index. And in cash market they have purchased for 4,021 crores. Option buying versus selling, they have 51% call buying, 49% call writing, 50% put buying and 50% put writing. So FII is bullish. So now we'll check for client. Client are also known as retailers. In future index they were having a 36% long and 64% short position. Today they have no changes, still holding 36% long and 64% short. And in option index they were having 4.16 lakhs of call writing contract. Today they have unwinded 10,000 contracts, so they have 4 lakhs of call writing positions. Input they were having a 4.83 lakhs of put writing contract. They have unwinded 23,000 contract, so holding 4.60 lakhs of put writing. They have hedge positions call writing versus put writing, and they are negative in future index. And in cash market they have sold for 686 crores. In option buying versus selling, they have 48% call buying, 52% call writing, 48% put buying and 52% put writing. There are slight negative in futures, but they are hedging their positions in options. Now we will check for proprietor desk. In future index they were having 42% long, 58% short. So today they have unwinded their longs, increased their short by 4%. They have 38% long, 62% short. And in option index they were having 2.80 lakhs of call buying positions. Today they have added more 96,000 contracts, so they have 3.77 lakh of call buying. And in put they were having 1.13 lakhs of put buying contract. They have unwinded 32,000 contracts, so they have 81,000 contract in put buying. And in cash market they have purchased for 661 crores. So see, they are negative in futures, but they are very positive in options. Option buying versus selling, they have 55% call buying, 45% call writing, 51% put buying, 49% put writing. So now we will check the change in OI Nifty for coming week expiry, that will be on 18th July. So what we have seen super positive put writing addition at 24,400 to 24,500, and many of them carrying a call buying position also. So we can see put writing till 25,000 and put buying till 25,100. Mostly this is showing a positive data. For Bank Nifty 16th July expiry, we can see a good number of call writing versus put writing at 52,500, and we have a call writing position only here. So it is the data for Bank Nifty is not that positive while comparing to Nifty. Now let's check the technicals. Nifty in 1 day time frame. So it has given a positive closing and a positive spinning top kind of a candle, and it has broke out from last 3 days where it got stuck from that range. So it is still a very positive candle. If it is sustained at 24,500 level, so we can see a very good upside movement also, because we have a very good bullish data from the big players. So I'm not going to short Nifty, if we are getting at a lower levels, we can again think of buying, but we are not going to short Nifty. Now Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame, so it is taking a support at 52,000 support level only, and it has given a gravestone kind of a candle today, and it is still wait and watch where the market is going to open and the price is sustaining at that level or not. But 52,000 will be a good support to buy once again. But Bank Nifty is not that positive comparing to Nifty. Bank Nifty is weaker, so we can go long in Nifty, and if 52,000 levels are broken with good volume, then we can think of a shorting with strict stop loss. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.